So hi guys, it's me again.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way.
So hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Annie the Busy Beauty again, as usual. So guys, I know you're wondering, girl, a lot of film with the same cuts. Yes, because when I have time to film, I do film a lot of videos because most of the time I don't have time. Girl, it's a struggle. I'm the mother, I'm the wife, I'm the side hustle. I hustle from my side. I do a lot of things. I'm the teacher. So guys, when I have time like this and the house is quiet, I do multiple videos that I want to do. And then yes, the polygel came like this. So it came in this this pack, but it was in a box. I just removed the box and I threw it away, the box that came with. So it came in a box like from Bolcom. Also it was from Bolcom, and this is what was inside. It came like this, and this is from Miss Jules Nails and Makeup, and you can find it in Bolcom. And you can find them in Bolcom, bol.com. So this is what I get, the first pack. So you in this pack you get polygel, which is clear, because in polygel they have a lot of colors, several colors, whatever you want. So I said, because I haven't used the polygel, let me start with the clear, my friend, before you go to the other one. So I started with the clear, and it comes with this. That is the polygel itself. Okay, and then it came with this. So I guess this is, I haven't even opened it, guys. So this is the brush. This is a brush where you use it, and this is the other side. I will show you guys when I'm starting to use it. I'm going to look at the tutorials, how they use it. I've watched a lot of tutorials, so I think I guess I know how to use it. It's not difficult, it's very easy. So I hope it's gonna come out clear nicely. So this is the tool that you're using when you're buying the pack. And yes, so those are two. And then in the pack they also send you nail file. I have a lot, but anyway, they send you one nail file that it looks like, just to file, to shape it after putting it. And then they have inside there, they have this, and this is design nails. You can see. So they have the small nails where after you put the gel you press, and then these nails will come out and the gel remains on your nail. Actually, I'm going to do that next week or very soon to show you guys how it works. So these are nails, and they are like, how many nails is in here? Sizes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. They have 10 sizes. So yeah, and I'm going to read for you here what they say. It says it's a perfect manicure in minute, easy on, easy off. On, easy off, fast, safe, and simple. 24 nails in 10 sizes, double or most common sizes. Nail prep, clean nails of any nail polish. That is how you're gonna use it. Select the correct size nail. How to apply. Align the express on the nail at the edge of cuticle and firmly press down. Second, if needed, trim or file nail to desired shape. So you just shape how you want it. I'll show you guys one of my video when I'm going to do it. If disrect, apply top coat for added shine and season perfection. How to remove it. Soak nail in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes to lose glue. Gentle peel off nails or from the side. Caution, don't use the injured nail, keep off reach of children. Imagine you can just use this to remove this, the nail polish. You just use water now, water, hot water. Save time, save everything, save your nail. Water. Oh, I will show you guys. I'm going to share with you guys. I don't want to be I don't want to be selfish. I'm gonna show you. This year we're gonna shine. Oh. We go shine like star. So yes, so that's what anywho, yes, that's all. So I wish you all the best. Have a nice day, have a nice evening, have a nice morning, wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next video. Be blessed, be you. Mwah. Bye.